So anda palang iyo espera bus kay man bus lang iyo. Taki na basta.
Ikaw le. Ano wala pa? Libre.
Wala, nakarating ako dito sa Mina ng mag-isa. Walang hiya. Doon ang entrance sa may moon. I was all alone at home while scrolling the videos in TikTok. I saw this, someone posted that Manar in Souk Almina was opened yesterday. So I decided to go and take a look. So bago ako pumunta dito, of course, I have to Google and search for how to reach here. So upon research, and to my surprise, the bus number going to Souk Almina is the same bus number which I am taking every day. So here I am, kahit mag-isa. Ang ganda ng langit. Ay nako, nakarating dito na mag-isa. So eto, nandito na ako sa may Manar. Wala pang ilaw kasi may araw pa, pero mamaya yan, may araw na, may ilaw na. It's Mickey. Ang laki niya. Ano ba yan siya? Si Minnie? Mickey Mouse? Dala-dala niya yung buwan. Yung moon. Mamayang gabi yan siya. May ilaw na yung moon. Nakahiga yung si... I think Mickey or Minnie. I don't know. Against the lights pa siya. Pero ang ganda ng view. So yung Manar, Souk Almina, Abu Dhabi, they just opened yesterday, November 15, hanggang January 4 or 14 of 2026. At free entrance naman dito, wala kayong dapat bayarin. There is no any fee. Tapos, ito naman dito sa kabila, parang Cornish kasi ito siya port. Port ang exact word. Kasi marami siyang mga barko, mga yate, mga bangka. Wala namang bangka ata. Tapos ito dito sa may kabila, maraming palaruan ng mga bata. Maraming nagpapalipad ng saranggola. Brother.
Yes, my sister.
Aside from this one, where is another view for tonight?
Another event?
No. Like for example, tonight this will have light, yeah?
Yeah, light, yes.
So where is another area we can see another things or only these things?
Only this thing you see from there, but another thing in the inside Mina Port also. Another
Where
event
is
is
it?
there. Mina Port inside. This is the outside area of the port. Port. You know port, Mina
Yeah,
Port?
how we will go there?
You go there straight, go there and you can turn like there. There is the gate. Enter from the gate, please.
So no need to take bus or taxi? We just need to walk?
Maybe it's far. Yeah.
Like,
Mina Port inside, Mina Port.
what
Port inside.
what is another name for that Mina port?
This is the name of same name. This is the two steps. It's the name of the Manar event here, Manar event there also.
That one where is the terminal cruise ship?
Terminal cruise ship.
That one also have there?
This is also in the terminal also and another one also.
Yeah, but that one in terminal cruise ship there is also light show?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Same like this.
Same like this, but Maybe there's a lot of guards. Maybe Big Show is there. We are here, poor guard is here. Here is 20 guard. Is mean 20 mean big.
Okay.
Like that. I think I did not see. Sorry to say, if you go there, but the security told me like that. Don't complaining about the security.
No, I'm just asking.
Yeah, it is the very. Maybe asking. He knows which is our client. Ask
Okay.
him, he will know. Another big event is which side. He will guide you. Tell him. Tell him.
Brother, aside from this area, where is another area?
Jubail. You can go to Jubail.
No, I'm just doing this.
So you don't want to be in a camp.
Yeah.
So just you can go to Jubail. You can check online with the Instagram account. You can get to know what's exactly happening.
Hello, boss.
And then Google Maps, just write Jubail Island, and then follow the sign up. You will be there.
But he said there is also event like in Minaport.
What event?
Yeah, seminar event is another inside Minaport also.
Where?
Inside Minaport.
Where? If you cannot tell me, you cannot tell people. So where?
Yeah. I did not see also there, but our security, 20 security also going there. Maybe not, maybe 60 security. More security.
Manar?
Minar even same Minar.
Manar
Yes.
event, 3 locations.
3 locations.
Al Ain.
Yes.
I want you to remember Al Ain, Mina, this one only, and Jubail.
And Jubail also.
Not here.
Not here.
Maybe another event, maybe another name. Okay. But
Maybe
Manar,
another. But
3 locations.
which morning I came late? That morning the bus is going there. There's our security told me.
Somebody else's business, not ours. Our business is 3 locations.
3 locations. Okay. No.
Thank you.
So it's good to be aligned also. So
Yeah.
I'm taking advantage of it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Don't forget, we will open at 5:30 so you can head up and grab and take a beautiful
We
picture.
can go.
5:30, yes.
It will open.
We will open 5:30.
Thank you. Akala ko kasi itong area ng Manar kasi arts and light shows kasi ito. Akala ko marami siyang ilaw pagdating ng gabi. Tulad ng Manar nung 2024 I think. Yung maraming ilaw. Kaya tinanong ko dun sa security guard na which is kung meron bang ibang place or ibang arts and light show aside from this buwan. Tapos yung security guard nalilito din siya. Ang sabi niya meron daw doon sa may terminal cruise ship. Tapos tinanong ko yung staff talaga ng Manar. Ang sabi niya ay wala kasi nga 3 Manar lang ang meron, which is in Al Ain, tapos yung Jubail Island, and ito dito sa Souk Almina. So yun, nawaw mali yung security guard, pero sinabi din naman niya na hindi niya nakita. Baka pupunta ako doon tapos magsabi ako na sabi ng security guard ganito ganon. Sabi niya hindi naman din niya alam kung yung sinabi niya ay totoo din kasi hindi siya pumunta doon. Pero na-confirm naman yung staff talaga ng Manar na wala. Pero yun doon sa terminal cruise ship, meron talaga doon na night market kahit wala pang Manar. Siguro yun ang ibig sabihin ng security guard. So, naklaro naman din yun. So, there is no misunderstanding. And the explanation between both are clear. So, thank you. The only thing to appreciate lights is darkness. So, ngayon, itong view lang ang makikita natin at hindi natin alam during dark kung ano talaga ang magiging view. Kasi yung lights, kasi nga ito nga, arts and lights. So, makikita natin ang totoong view niya kung madilim na. Kaya, ang aga-aga ko, umalis ako ng bahay ng 3:30 kasi nga, hindi ko alam yung timing ng bus. Kaya sabi ko, mas okay na yung maaga at saka maaga rin akong makakauwi kasi mag-isa lang ako. So ayan, nag-ikot-ikot muna ako, titingnan ko kung ano yung pwedeng magkain kasi ang daming shops dito, mga restaurant. Tapos may nakilala akong 2 Pilipina din na tulad ko, walang magawa din sa bahay kaya nag-ikot-ikot din sila. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng company to roam around and take pictures. Ang ganda ng ulap. The sea of clouds. Ang ganda ng view. Kung gusto nyong ma-witness yung sunset, maganda talaga pag hapon. Kasi ito dito sa may tabing dagat, pwede rin kayong pumunta dyan. Mag-picture, mag-video. Makikita nyo yung sunset. Ang sarap ng hangin. Yan lang naman pala talaga ang view. But anyway, thank you pa din. At least. So, yung mga bato, pwede kayong umakyat dyan. Tapos, dagat na yan sa kabila. Pwede kayong magtampisaw. Pero, hindi siya buhangin ha. Bato siya. Tapos, while you are sitting, nakikita nyo yung sunset. Ang ganda ng view. Tapos, malamig na rin siya. Kaya, kung plano nyong pumunta dito at you want to take more time, so magbaon kayo ng jacket. Or magsuot kayo ng makapal na damit. Kasi malamig siya. Dahil masyado akong maaga, kaya mag-ikot-ikot muna ako hanggang maging madilim. Kasi we cannot appreciate lights if it is not darkness. If it is not dark. The only way to appreciate lights during darkness. Ay! Ano daw? So, eto, palubog na yung araw. Ang sabi sa amin, 5:30, pwede na kaming umakyat dito na parang bridge. Pero hindi naman talaga siya bridge. Tapos, dito kami sa taas para makita namin kung gaano kaganda yung buwan pagka madilim na. So, kahit nandito na kami sa taas, ang tagal pa rin dumilim. Kasi nasa taas pa rin yung araw. But it's already 5:30 ha. Pero malamig na siya kahit 5:30 pa lang.
Ganda ng view.
Yung araw. Ang ganda ng view.
Ganda niya.
Yan. Diba?
Dito na tayo.
O, nasa taas na kami.
Asa na si Gwen?
Ayun, nasa likod mo.
Parang alam ko yung pangalan. No? Kung maghanap, no? Asa na si Gwen? Nandito na kami sa taas. Ayan. Ang overlooking. Pero gusto ko to.
Munang tanggalan yung pwesto, mamaya yan. Wala ka lang.
Si Taki Kandawensi na Abu Dhabi, aki ka sila tandak el di ila barko, el di ila cruise ship. So aki kami kanila tan hatud el ulam. Pero ara nuay masya sila man biyahe para kina Abu Dhabi. So ara lang kami anda otra vez aki na Suk Almina. Aki sa sila Kandawensi, si Kanda barko. Aki kami kanila liba adobo puerco. So ito na yung itsura niya. May ilaw na yung buwan. Pero mas ma-appreciate nyo pa rin kung totally dark na talaga siya. Kaso hindi pa talaga totally lumubog yung araw. At ako'y pagod nang nakatayo. Gusto ko nang umuwi. So ito na siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya.
Palta di su
Kung
dedo.
pagod ka nang nakahiga dyan, pwede din
4
ako.
lang di su dedo.
Tumayo ka na muna dyan at ako na muna hahawag ng buwan. Ay. Pansin ko lang yung daliri niya 4 lang. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na yung isa.
Sige na, bye-bye.
Tagliura ya el bata. Kay ta Cynthia Prigio. Kabar di su tatay nana ta pripura man litrato. Kilaya liba-liba con el bata, kabar no liba jacket. So mira se el Juan o. El Luna. El Luna redondo igual na di mi cara. Do grande pa nga ni mi cara con el Luna. So aside from that, no hay más ya otro lights and arts. Ese lang galikil. So abahaya iyo kay andaya yo espera bus otra vez para volver casa. Taki Eliate di kandakuan ong fam. Sana all cheniyate. Bonito kahit kay akel presko. Makatuyo si Tarda kay por causa el aire ta sale na mar.
So, nandun na yung moon. At ako'y uuwi na. Uuwi na akong mag-isa. Pupunta na ako sa may basta. Mag-aabang ako ng bus. Nandun na. So, don't forget to like, comment, and share. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.